Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using the Pillar Wallet. Pillar Wallet, a secure and private crypto solution. Pillar Wallet stands out as a smart, non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet ideal for users prioritizing privacy, decentralized control, and seamless integration with the crypto world. Built on Ethereum and supporting multiple tokens, it caters to those who want to manage assets, engage with DeFi protocols, and access dApps, all within a single platform. One of Pillar Wallet's key strengths is its smart wallet infrastructure. Unlike conventional wallets, it offers advanced features such as multi-signature security and daily spending limits, providing enhanced control and safety. This makes it suitable for both newcomers to the crypto space and seasoned users seeking robust security for their holdings. Privacy is paramount with Pillar Wallet. It requires no personal information for setup or operation, guaranteeing a truly decentralized experience. Supporting Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, the wallet enables users to store, send, and receive a wide variety of digital assets. The integrated dApp browser allows direct exploration of decentralized applications, participation in DeFi protocols, and management of NFTs, all from within the wallet itself. Open source by design, Pillar Wallet's code is auditable by the community, ensuring transparency and reliability. Security is a top priority. Your private keys are stored locally on your device and never transmitted to a server, granting you complete control over your funds. A recovery mechanism using a 12-word seed phrase is also in place, allowing you to regain access to your wallet should your device be lost or compromised. For enhanced peace of mind, Pillar Wallet supports multi-signature authorization, enabling multiple devices or individuals to approve transactions. Available on both iOS and Android, Pillar Wallet provides a user-friendly experience designed for seamless onboarding. It's an excellent choice for users looking for a balanced approach to functionality, privacy, and security in their cryptocurrency journey. To learn more or download Pillar Wallet, check the links in the description below.